Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to learn how to record a macro in Excel. So if you are very new in VBA, this video is very useful for you. Okay, it's very simple how to record a macro in Excel. Okay, so let's start. If you want to record anything in Excel, suppose you are doing bold, you are doing anything like copy, paste, bold, italic, color, anything, and you can implement after that. Okay, so let's start. For recording macro, you need to go to developer, and here you can see option is record macro. But before doing record macro, you need to see use relative references. Okay, so let's understand what is this. Use relative references so are recorded with action relative to the initial selected cell. Okay, suppose if you are doing something here, okay, and if you did not click this one, the record macro will implement in this cell only. But we required all the record macro will implement entire sheet or entire workbook. Okay, so let's, before doing record macro, you need to click on this. Okay, now click on record macro, and here if you see, after clicking record macro, a dialog box will appear. Here you need to give a macro name. By default is macro 1. What I'm going to give, a color, and here shortcut key from A to Z, everyone is occupied. Let's give some another one, shift A. Okay, control shift A, and here let's do, let's give some description. This macro will change the cell color. Okay, when you click OK, see your recording is on. Here is option stop recording. Okay, here also. Now let's do something. Let's do some coloring. Go to home, click on color, and we'll select this cell. Okay, so what we are doing, we have just select A1 and give a color and shifted to D. Okay, we will do a simple record macro. Now we'll go developer and stop recording. Okay, remember we have given a shortcut key, shift control shift A. So what I'm going to do, my cursor will here, I'll press control shift A. Let's see the magic. This one is color. Let's do it again, control shift A. Okay, so this one, this cell is color macro. Run the macro, 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 the macro, the macro. Same, go to developer, click on macro, and here the macro name, and from here you can run. See, okay, but if you want to see, when you click on macro, your all macro will appear here. Okay, if you want to see, what is macro inside, you just click on edit and it will open in a VBA editor, Visual Basic editor. This is the macro name we have given, color. Okay, and here we have give a description. This macro will change the color. Keyboard shortcut we have given, and here if you are not a developer you cannot understand, but I will explain you. Okay, this part is not executed because this one we have given the macro name and description and the shortcut key, and here this is the macro we have recorded. This one is color part, color. This is the number, the yellow color number, and after that we have, if you remember, the offset formula, active cell offset 3 range A1. Okay, so this is the offset formula for shifting the cell. Okay, for recording macro it's very useful. Most of the developer is using a recording macro and they are using in their project. Okay, so I hope you understood how to record a simple macro. You can record anything. If you are doing task, a daily task, day by day, you can record a macro and you can use it. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any query regarding this video, you can email me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.